G'day all. So this is part 3 of Southern Cross, WA. So I've mocked everything up here, and I think this is important simply because you'd be surprised at what changes as you go. So this here, there's a line up there. That tells you roughly the size of the triple silos there. And this here is the bunker. It's just as visual. The more I look at it, unfortunately the bunker looks like it's going to need to be low relief. It is what it is. So you might think, wow, this looks incredibly tall, but guess what? It's incredibly tall. So the other thing is I've mocked up basically where the goods shed would be. Very Flintstone-ish, I know. So I've tried to figure out where to put the points so that they're in between the struts, and there's a mock-up of roughly where the original station would be. So yeah, as we go through, so you got the three lines here. You've got the main line, the crossing loop, and the arrival siding, and that's the yard there. This is a mock-up of the second loading point, and it's an overhead like that, and it comes off the back end of this bunker. So, and then you've got the acid siding here, acid-fuel. Got to leave room as well for, there's a catch point here which I'll make using a one of these points. I'll just cut them up, and there's another catch point there. So again, you need the space for the throw, so I'm going to use tortoise point motors to fit in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this board. So a couple other things. I've extended this part of the crossing loop. If you're going to do ultra modern, the station building loosely needs to be there. So, and then I've got the curve here. So it's just a slight curve. Here we go. There's the yard from one end to the other. So it's fairly long, but I hope that I've sort of be able to capture it the best I can. So again, I've been figuring out where to put the point motors so that they'll fit in and they go in between the struts, or ribs, which way you look at it. What else? So I'll use 12mm MDF of 12mm ply, and I'll probably router it so that I've got definition, because there's a lot of definition in the ballast around this area. So that's that. Not much else really at this point. So what I will do is I'll actually build all these sections here and then router them and then put them in last, I think. And that's when then I'll cut down, figure out where things like the road is and all that sort of thing. And there you go. But I do like the bulk that you get of the larger size buildings here, which really does give it that brutalistic approach. Yeah, so anyway, I won't rabbit on any further. There you go, and enjoy. I'll just give you one shot from the other end here so you can see the length that we're talking about. There we go. Alrighty. Enjoy.